Hai, apa khabar semua? Hari ini kita kembali dengan YouTube series kita Segalanya Zoho. So hari ini kita nak tengok macam mana kita nak linkkan our bank account into Zoho Books. Just in a few steps, few clicks here and there, masuk details sikit, settle. Okay, so let's take a look. So of course, before we start, kita kena login dulu, masuk credentials, go to books.zoho.com. Once kita login, go to the banking module. Right, so dekat atas ni ada button merah ni, add bank or credit card. So we just click here, and then in the bank list, again maybe we just type Malaysia. So all the banks that link with Zoho Books in which that are connected dengan a financial aggregator service that is called Yodlee, ada 9 bank semuanya will be listed here. So for the sake of demo, sebab saya ada bank Maybank, saya akan connect dengan Maybank. Click on this. Then kalau sebelum ni tak pernah linkkan dengan any banks, it will straight away ask for your credential lah. Tapi sebab before this saya ada pernah buat, dia akan list down ke sini. So kalau tak ada, kita just add an account, masukkan username dengan password kita, check the terms and condition, click continue. So it will take some time for the credentials to be processed, maybe minimum around 5 minutes ataupun up to 1 day. So once it is approved, we will be notified through the notification center. So kalau kita check, kena monitor lah, dia takkan boleh terus proceed as usual. We just have to wait until this notification is being sent to us. Once you get this, you just click and check we've processed your request to add a new bank account. Click to configure and complete your process. Okay. Once we click, then we'll be shown this screen. So we just pick which account that we want to connect with. Okay. Alright. So for example, macam ni, maybe saya ambil current account lah. And then dia tanya download transaction history from berapa lama. So maximum dia boleh tarik last 3 months transaction. I cannot go further than that. Anything further than that, you need to add it manually, in which I will share in our next video, hopefully. Okay, masukkan currency, and again accept TNC, continue. So kita dah pilih, dia akan cuba download all the transactions from our selected bank account, and then it will show here. Maybe it will take some time for it to process. We just have to hit refresh over and over again, ataupun just proceed with your other work. After it is done, then it will let you know that the transactions are there. Contoh sekarang mungkin dah ada kot. Jeng. Okay, alright. So now in a way you can already see your bank transaction details. Whatever that is in your statement will be displayed here, and like I said, dia akan tarik daripada last 3 months of your transaction. Okay lah, mana yang ada lah. Okay, alright. So happy trying. Use Zoho Books for your accounting needs. Until next time, bye bye.